What if I told you that a Pro Football Hall of Famer once walked away from the NFL to pursue a career in professional wrestling? Yes, you read that right. Before he became a legend with the Chicago Bears, William the Refrigerator Perry took a brief hiatus from the gridiron in 1985 to enter the world of the WWF, now WWE. Standing at 6'2" and weighing over 300 pounds, Perry's larger-than-life persona made him a natural fit for the wrestling ring. In an unexpected twist, he even participated in the inaugural WrestleMania Battle Royal. Though his wrestling career was short-lived, this detour into the squared circle remains a fascinating footnote in an otherwise storied football legacy.